Well, hey everyone, it's Scott, and what I wanted to do here is just real quickly show you how to customize these new templates that I created for your Facebook timeline. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because it's a little bit different than other templates that I've done. I'm using a clipping mask, and this is basically your timeline image right here. All right, now what I did want to point out is this here is separate. Okay, you would change this as your profile image, and that'll be whatever that is. And I'm going to show you how in the template I put a little white block there, so this way here you can stay away from that. So this way here it won't cover up anything that's that important. But anyway, so let me just get that out of our way. This is basically what we're looking at here. Now you're going to notice there's a lot of stuff going on over here. The one thing is this is that white box that I was telling you about, so you can just turn that off and then save it. But this is just like a little block to kind of, let you know that there is going to be covering something up. All right, now this is all customizable. Now, being a layer clipping mask, you're able to take an image like right here, and it goes underneath this. Okay, so anything underneath this is going to be clipped, okay, by the circle or the object that's there. All right, so I'm just going to show you real quick on how to do this. All right, so I'm just going to make sure that I have an image open, and I'll show you with this one right here. Okay, so this is just one of our sample images right here. I actually put it in this block right here, but I'll change it around. I'll put it in this block. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to find this block right here, okay, and you can kind of see I'm going to leave these images in here for you, but other templates that I create won't have these images, so just understand the concept. You can see that there's image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. This one right here, if I click on it because I'm on auto select, you can see I'm right here. All right, so I want to go above this shape too. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my image right here and just drag it in here. All right, now you can see it's way over. Okay, this is not what we want. Okay, but because it's in this area, now what we need to do is make that a clipping mask. So all we do is just go to layer and then go down here to create clipping mask. And then look what happens. All right, because I'm above that shape. Now all I have to do is just scale this down, okay, to whatever I want. Maybe I don't want the whole image like I had in the other one. Maybe I just want it like that. And then just go ahead and click apply. And that's it. That's all there is to it. All right, and I can change these around. Now, the nice thing about it is I can just move these around, and you're not seeing it underneath there. That image is being clipped by this down here. Now, obviously, you would want to turn off that bottom one, because if not, possibly you can make an error and have it there. You can just delete it if you want now, and you won't even see it because you have this layer here. Let's just do it with another one real quick. Let me open up this one now, and I'll put this one over here in this spot. All right, so I'm over here now, and this one here was image 4. All right. And I'm just going to basically make sure that I'm clicked on that, and then I'm going to drag this over here. You can see, again, way too big. So I might even want to pre-scale that down a little bit. Let's just scale it down a little bit, put it in the area that it's going to go. All right, go ahead and click apply, and then go to layer and then create clipping mask. And then look what happens. There it is. All right, I can delete this layer down here if I want now because I have it there. And you can see we're all set. Now if I turn on this photo zone, that's where your profile image is going to go. Again, this can be customized. This is your block of text or your company logo or any of that stuff. And your background, you can turn that on and off, put something else different there. This little bar going across here is customizable as well. So you can see, you can customize this until your heart's content. All right, so I just wanted to do that real quick for you. When you're all done, then you're just going to want to make sure that you definitely turn off this photo zone, remove that. Okay, and I already put remove here, and then just go layer, flatten, and then just save it as whatever you want to save it as. Facebook cover 1, and make sure it's a JPEG. Okay, and then save it to your desktop, and then upload it to your Facebook page for your profile or your timeline image. Oh, and there's one last thing I wanted to also point out, which I didn't and I should have, is these outer edges can be customized as far as the color goes. That's just a stroke that I put onto the object. So if you go right here where it says FX, you just click on that, you'll get a drop down for that particular shape, okay, which in this case is this one right here. And all I did was added a stroke. So the stroke is already there for you, so just double click on it, and then it's going to come up. And you can adjust the size of it, you can adjust the opacity of it, or the color. Let's just go with color. All I did was I clicked on the color, all right, and then I went in here and I selected this right here because it was in the picture already. So I just clicked there, there, and there, and I'm done. All right, same thing here with this one. All I did was went in here, okay, to this one here. It's the object here above it, or below it, shape 3. Click on that, and then you go to stroke, and then you can see there's the brownish color. I just clicked on that, selected a wood color in here. That's actually too light. There's about the color that I had. Go ahead and click OK. So you can keep customizing these, per image. Like this one here had a little bit of this lavender in it. This one here, I went with the green theme here rather than having another pink one. So you can play around with those to even customize it even further. All right, so that's it. That's going to wrap up this quick lesson, and I'll talk to you in the next.